Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Fallout London if it's not loading or you are stuck on the loading screen. First we need to verify the game files. Open your Steam library, right click on Fallout 4, select Properties, then go to Local Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Next, make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements to run both Fallout 4 and the Fallout London mod. It's also important to have the latest drivers for your graphics card. Go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer, Nvidia or AMD, and download the latest drivers for your specific card. Mods can sometimes cause conflicts, so if you have any installed, try disabling or uninstalling them temporarily. Make sure your Windows is fully updated as well. Go to your system settings and check for any available updates. Sometimes clearing the game's cache can help. Go to Use app de alocar Fallout and delete the cache folder. If you're still having trouble, we can try increasing your virtual memory. Right click on this piece icon, go to Properties, then Advanced System Settings. Under the Advanced tab, click on the Settings under the Performance section. Go to the Advanced tab again and click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your main drive and manually set a larger initial size in B and maximum size in B. Click Set and Locate to apply the changes. If none of these steps worked, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Fallout London. Make sure you back up your save files before doing this. If you are still experiencing issues after trying all these steps, it's best to reach out to the Fallout London development team for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.